Yo, what's up? It's me, Dulex, and I just moved up to New York State, which is my hometown. The reason why I did that was because I was living down in North Carolina with my girlfriend, but she decided to go to Portugal to play some pro basketball. So while she's doing that, I decided to come back up here. My best friend has this land at his disposal. He's been wanting me to come live here forever. So I decided to pick up this travel trailer. You already know how I do it. Bought it used. I'm gonna be rebuilding the inside. It's outdated, so we're about to get this work done in here. Let's check it out. All right, so on the inside, this is the main living space. So over here we got a couch, regular old man looking leather couch. And on the inside, it has one of those hideaway mattress things. Got a table and chairs, and these are like storage chairs. And this table is drilled down so it won't go anywhere. Two like rocking chairs right here. And then they have a TV entertainment system. Hey, let me know what you guys think about this. I've been wondering this forever. Why in RVs do they always put TVs over there and couches over here? Like, who's sitting here and turning their head and looking at this TV? Like, what? Anyway, on this side right here, they've got just like a, I don't know, a media cabinet. And they've got a radio that has speakers inside and outside, which is actually pretty cool, not gonna lie. Then more storage under there. Then they got this like fake stone accent wall. Then we got down here, we got this fireplace that you can actually pull this part down and you can turn it on, and it makes it look like you actually have a fire going. Over here is the kitchen. Very old school style kitchen. But look how big this fridge is right here. So this is a 3-way fridge. It runs on propane and electric. So right now I have this running on propane to save on power because I am plugged into a 15 amp plug. We got a microwave up top. This stove runs on propane, and you can hit light and spark it kind of like a grill. So we got 3 burners up top, and then underneath we got a super tiny oven. To the left of that we got a sink. I really like how they did this. Usually they make these as like cutting boards, but these are just like these plastic things. Then up top they have these little you come up in this hallway right here. This is the door where we came in, and then you come into here. There's 2 doors. If you open up the first door right here, this is the bathroom. Yeah, this is a toilet, and that is a sink. They've got a mirror up here. You got a shower right here. I actually really like this shower. Full size, like I can actually just straight up just fit right in here. There's also a skylight right here, right above, which is pretty cool. Then over here, right next to the shower, this is where the slide is. So with this cut in, you can't like go through this space right here, but it has like a closet space up top with some drawers down here at the bottom. So right here, we've got a sliding barn door, and that's how you step into the bedroom. There's 2 ways into the bedroom. As I must remind you, when we came in through this hallway, there was this door, which is also another sliding door. And then you step into the bedroom again. So this is like 2 ways in on both sides. A bunch of storage up top. Then over here, we got another closet space. There's a shelf right here, but it's on a hinge, so you can get rid of it and just have this as a, as a shelf space. Then underneath we got these deep drawers right here. Then up underneath the bed, we can lift the bed. Look at all this space right here, man. This is what I'm talking about. You can actually get to this from the outside. All right, that's the tour of the RV. Let's get to work, starting on the bedroom. Alright, so this is what we're calling the finished product of this bedroom build. I got that in quotations because this is not completely done. I got a few things I need to finish because I wanted to get this done fast so that I'd be able to sleep in here while I'm building the rest of the RV. As you can see, I left these lights hanging out because I need to touch up some paint up top. So I just decided to leave them hanging, and I also need to add some new covers to these. And I also never finished the cabinet doors. I'm just trying to decide if I want to put mirrors over there, do some doors like these up here or not. Trying to figure that out. Obviously, you saw me make these cabinet doors for this like laundry area up top. And something new that I decided to put in that wasn't really in the plans was this TV. And this folds up to the ceiling. And I conveniently had a plug right there, so that's why I decided to do it that way, so you can just lay down in bed at the end of the night and watch some stuff. Didn't think I wanted that, but it comes in handy. So that's pretty much the bedroom. I don't really have much else to do in here. It's pretty simple. Everything else, you've already seen it. So we're going to go ahead and start building the next area of this RV. Haven't decided what I'm going to do yet, but just stay tuned. We're going to be putting out more videos. Let's get into it. See you later. Oh. Does it look good though?